Hey guys, sorry, TikTok shut me off. Man. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm so sorry guys. TikTok cut me off again. I really hope they fix that. But I'm adding the Ys. All right. There we go. You totally did call it about the hour mark. Yeah. Yep. I started noticing it was perfectly like 1 hour. It just does it. My mom the other night, she's like, how could I... Hey, Jeanette, welcome. My mom's like, how can I complain that it gets shut off? And I sent her like a link where it's like, you can report like, you know, an issue that's going on. So I'm just... And some limbs, some Ys can go down and have some squiggly Ys. Once you kind of know some of the rules about Ys and stuff like that, you can, there's a lot of freedom. I haven't looked at my reference for a while because I know some of these rules. And if I stay with some of these guidelines, it can look very realistic, even though it looks different than the reference. Hey, welcome back, Faye Leaf. Sorry, TikTok shut me off at the hour mark, just as I suspected. So I'm in the very last stage of this painting where I'm doing the final details. This is what we did. Great. We used 100% cotton, wet both sides of the paper. We dabbed for the blue sky, dry both sides with a hair blow dryer. We put in the little lines for where the trunks are gonna be. We dabbed the first coat of the trees with yellow green. Then we used the indigo dark blue. And then we put in the trunks. As we put in the trunks, we let some of the branches in front of the trunks. So we were very careful on how we put in the trunks. And now we're at the final detail stage. This is where you can take your time and really make it look more realistic. For the sake of time in this live, I won't go into like crazy detail, but yeah, I'll just tell you what I'm doing, why I'm doing it. Not all trees start off real pointy. Some trees are like this, where it's kind of all over the place as it starts. With this little brush, I can add in more details wherever I want. I really like this tree. This is like my favorite tree right here. And maybe there's like some limbs that come up here. Maybe they curve around. I think as it looks more and more realistic, it's easier to imagine what you can add to it, because you're not like staring at a blank piece of paper. All these little Y's. There we go. Let's put in a Y right here. We'll put in another Y right here, letting some of the trees go in front of the Y. There we go. Maybe there's illusion of more leaves right here coming out off the sides. There wouldn't be that bright of a color right there. We're gonna hide some of that. There we go. Okay. So let's put in a tree here. And like we said earlier, as we put in these Ys, this is a tricky thing to do, but instead of like, I'm gonna purposely mess this up for you to understand. Okay, so I'm putting in a Y, and look, I just put in a Y. There it is. Now that doesn't look great because I should have let some of the branches go over this Y. But what I can do is clean my brush. Just clean it off. It takes 10 seconds to clean your watercolor. And I can go back in and kind of move it around so it's not this. There, all right. I can take some of that green, hide it a little bit better there too. There we go. So now I showed you what not to do. Now I'm gonna show you what you can do that I think is more effective. So I'm gonna come up here with my Y, but I'm gonna stop, finish the Y over here, and let's imagine it comes right over here, and then there's like a other part of the Y which kind of twists up like that. There. That is more believable than just doing a full-on Y, because trees are more complicated than that. Things go in front of them and behind them, and so it's more believable when you imagine the Y getting stopped by the leaves in front. Right? But all I'm doing to put in these branches is Ys. Just putting in random squiggly Ys. There's part of my Y, and then here's another part of it. I want to be so, there we go. All right, we'll do, I think we're getting really close to the end here. You guys are awesome. I'll be putting the full thing on YouTube so you can check out the whole tutorial there. If you joined late, you can see from beginning to end there, and you'll also be able to go at your pace. So you can stop it at any stage. You guys have been awesome. And the next time I go live, what I'll do is I'll focus on another painting, but I'll be able to read the comments and answer your questions and things I wasn't able to do on this demonstration. If there's any questions that you asked and I didn't answer during this live, if you message me or find one of my recent videos and just ask the question there, I'll see it and I'll try to answer that. So we're back here. I want to get rid of some of that. There we go. See, this one I did not hide it behind leaves, but I can go back in and fix that. I can put it behind there, some leaves. There we go. Now that starts to look a little bit more believable. So there you have it. You have a painting that wasn't too hard to do and looks really cool. It's a fun painting. If you were painting along with me, and if you post what you did or you take a photo of it, send it to me. I'd love to see your rendition of this piece. You guys are awesome. And thanks for hanging out. Martin, welcome. Reminds me next time though, please. Remind me next time. Wait, Kylie, what? Have a funny awkward story from today, but know you're on time limit. Okay, I will ask you next time, Kylie. You were back on. I was posting progress fixing. Oh, cool. What kind of paints are these? Oh, these, the Gravity watercolor set, and they're linked to my watercolor playlist if you want to check out all the tools I use. All right, guys, I'm gonna take off. You guys are awesome. Thank you for hanging out with me. And if you liked this live demonstration and you want to paint with me again, like, let me know. And I'll try to do more lives like this where we can paint together. All right, take care, guys.